Spaces are kind of a special area that we need to look at because most of the homes should have a poly or plastic on that floor in the crawl space, but many of them do not. We're going to have a very saturated environment in that crawl space that needs to be dried out. And we need to remove the plastic if it is there, remove other things that might be in the crawl space, and then we need to dry it as rapidly as we can. And what works best for that is ventilation, moving air through the crawl space. We recommend putting a fan facing to the outdoors so we're pulling air in through one side and then the fan is forcing the air out the other side. We want to vacuum in that crawl space because if we put positive pressure in there, if we face the fan blowing into the crawl space, it'll push any air through plumbing openings or other openings up into the living space and contaminate that, and we don't want that. So we want the vacuum. We want the suction by blowing the fan to the outdoors, and that then allows us to very effectively dry that soil. It'll take a long time for the soil to dry, but that is how we will dry that area. Once we get it all dry, then we put plastic back on the soil.